Well, the interesting thing about Botox is that there are a lot of young patients today doing Botox. So we're seeing many teenagers even coming in and wanting Botox. I'm talking about girls in there who are 19, 20 years old, starting to come to the office for Botox. It's a harmless drug, if you would put, you can call it a drug, but it's harmless. There have been no side effects that have been recorded with this procedure. So when a patient comes in asking for Botox injections, we don't just administer the injections right away. We look at them carefully in the mirror, and we discuss where the Botox injections can actually help with their appearance. And sometimes people don't even realize where the Botox can improve their appearance. Usually most people are looking at the frown lines between the eyes as the main issue. But one can help elevate the eyebrows, one can decrease horizontal lines, and these things all have to be pointed out carefully to the patient. Also, one cannot always take away all the lines, because if one paralyzes muscle to remove lines, one might alter the position of the eyebrows in a negative direction. So one cannot always get what everybody wants from their Botox injections.